Calci-Mix is a medication used to prevent or treat low blood calcium levels. It can be used to treat conditions such as bone loss, weak bones, decreased activity of the parathyroid gland, and a certain muscle disease. It may also be used to ensure that certain patients are getting enough calcium, such as women who are pregnant, nursing, or postmenopausal, and people taking certain medications like phenytoin, phenobarbital, or prednisone. Calcium is important for the normal functioning of nerves, cells, muscles, and bones. If there is not enough calcium in the blood, the body will take calcium from the bones, which can weaken them. It is important to have the right amount of calcium for building and keeping strong bones. The recommended dosage and timing for taking Calci-Mix will depend on the individual's specific needs and should be discussed with a healthcare professional. When taking Calci-Mix, it's best to take it with food. If your product contains calcium citrate, you can take it with or without food. Make sure to follow the directions on the product package or as directed by your doctor. For optimal absorption, if your daily dose is more than 600 mg, divide your dose and space it throughout the day. If you're using the chewable product, chew it well before swallowing. For the effervescent tablet, allow it to fully dissolve in a glass of water before drinking it. Do not chew or swallow the tablet whole. If you're using the liquid product or powder, make sure to measure the medication with a dose-measuring spoon or device to ensure you get the correct dose. Do not use a household spoon. If the liquid product is a suspension, shake the bottle well before each dose. To maximize the benefits of Calci-Mix, take it at the same time each day. If your doctor has recommended a special diet, it's important to follow it to get the most benefit from this medication and to prevent serious side effects. Avoid taking other supplements or vitamins unless ordered by your doctor. If you experience a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. If you experience constipation or upset stomach, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. However, many people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. Some potential side effects to watch out for include nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, unusual weight loss, mental or mood changes, bone or muscle pain, headache, increased thirst and urination, weakness, and unusual tiredness. While a severe allergic reaction is rare, it's important to seek medical help if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. If you notice any other effects not mentioned here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. As always, if you have any concerns or questions about the medication, it's important to discuss them with your healthcare provider. Before taking Calci-Mix, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems. If you have high calcium levels, kidney disease, little or no stomach acid, heart disease, pancreas disease, a certain lung disease, or difficulty absorbing nutrition from food, be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using Calci-Mix. Some sugar-free formulations of Calci-Mix may contain aspartame, so if you have phenylketonuria or any other condition that requires you to restrict your intake of aspartame, consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication. It's important to inform your doctor if you are pregnant before using Calci-Mix, as well as if you are breastfeeding. As always, consult your healthcare provider for more details. It's important to be aware of potential interactions with other medications. For example, calcium can decrease the absorption of certain drugs like bisphosphonates, tetracycline antibiotics, levothyroxine, and quinolone antibiotics. It's best to separate your doses of these medications as far as possible from your doses of calcium. Always check the labels on your prescription and non-prescription products to see if they contain calcium, and ask your pharmacist about using them safely. If you suspect someone has taken too much Calci-Mix and they are experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to call for emergency help right away. In the U.S., you can contact your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, changes in mental state, headaches, weakness, and fatigue. It's crucial to seek immediate medical attention in these cases. Now let's talk about the uses of Calci-Mix. Calci-Mix is a calcium supplement that is important for maintaining strong bones and teeth. It is especially important for women and children who may not be getting enough calcium in their diet. You can find calcium in dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, as well as in dark green leafy vegetables like broccoli and spinach. Some foods are also fortified with calcium, like orange juice. Vitamin D is also important for calcium absorption. You can find vitamin D in fortified dairy products, eggs, sardines, cod liver oil, chicken livers, and fatty fish. Your body can also make vitamin D when you are exposed to sunlight. It's important to talk to your doctor about the right dosage of Calci-Mix for you, as well as when the best time to take it is. Your doctor may also want to do some medical tests, like checking your calcium levels, while you are taking this medication. Make sure to keep all your medical appointments and follow your doctor's instructions. If you happen to forget a dose of Calci-Mix, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular time. Do not take double the dose to make up for the missed one. Remember to always follow the dosage instructions on the label. It is important to store Calci-Mix at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Avoid storing it in the bathroom and make sure to keep it out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush the medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. When the product is expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.